In this video, I will be showing you Canva's 6-photo template. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva home screen, browsing through the general templates. To start from scratch, I click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. I'll select a standard portrait size to bring up my blank canvas. Now, I head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I scroll down to the Grid section and click See All to explore the layout library. I'm looking specifically for creative ways to arrange 6 photos. I'll start by selecting this unique vertical layout with decorative edges. To see more options, I add a new page and pick another 6-frame grid, this one with a larger central focus. I'll continue adding pages and selecting different styles. Some grids offer clean, even rows, while others use overlapping shapes or varying frame sizes for a collage effect. I'm clicking through several variations, including vertical columns, horizontal blocks, and mixed layouts. This is a quick and easy way to build a template library for any project. I'll add just a few more pages to capture the most interesting 6-photo arrangements available. Now that I have a good collection, I'll scroll back up through my project to review all the different templates we've set up. Each of these is ready for me to just drag and drop my photos into. Canva's 6-photo template. You need to see this.